Hey, what's going on, guys? So I wanted to show off some of my features of my proton pack that I've been working on for a while now. And I actually fried my previous board, and I just got my replacement board yesterday. And so I put the Ghostbusters 2 sounds that I had created, and I'll demo those here in a minute. But I kind of wanted to show off some of the things that make this pack pretty special. So we have our XLR plate down there, which the proton packs did have. You just barely saw it. And this is your main power on switch here. So flipping that, go ahead and puts power to the board. Moving up the pack, if you look right there, let's see if I can get a better shot of that. You have the little plate that holds the side injectors on. Going over to the thrower. Now these are real clippers too. Let's see if I can flip this over so you can see what the wiring looks like. Okay, so without further ado, here is a demo of the sounds that I made for these. So, ready? Now, one thing I did do, I got rid of the song that plays here because, in my opinion, don't really need a song when I have an MP3 port here at the bottom of the pack. So I changed it out to the original Ghostbusters power-up sound. So if you wanted to do that switch, we'll just turn on the pack and turn on the pack lights. And you got your blinkies, and then you can come over here, turn on the bar graph, come up here, turn on that hat light, and there you go. Then you can come over here, flip this, and then do your main activation switch. And then of course your fire. I'm going to show you what the tip looks like when you fire it. Now that is an actual vintage flash bulb too that's in there. And that's the pack, and then the power off. And then come over here, flip the switch. All right, guys, thanks for watching.